Prehistoric animals lived millions of years ago. They were well adapted to their environment. Dinosaurs are the most famous among them. There were carnivorous and herbivorous dinosaurs. Some reached gigantic sizes. Prehistoric mammals were also fascinating. Mammoths were large, hairy elephants. The saber-toothed tiger had enormous canines. Pterosaurs were flying reptiles. They could have impressive wingspans. Trilobites inhabited ancient oceans. They were invertebrates with hard exoskeletons. Fossils are the main evidence of these animals. They help scientists understand the past. Mass extinctions occurred, affecting these species. Evolution continued to shape life.